Hey, what is up, AUSers? This is a trade recap of my trading day on February 20th of 2019. This is also going to be a quick video lesson about highs and lows and kind of proving some things to you guys. I only traded, it was a green day yesterday, but I didn't trade today because today is I'm busy school days. I'm an electrical engineer, so I don't have time for trading on Thursdays. But yesterday I traded, and it was green day. I only traded UVXY, this ETF right here. It's the inverse ETF of the SPY, which is the S&P 500, and it performs opposite what the SPY does. So I actually made like 2 or 3 trades on it. I think one trade you could actually call like a somewhat of a trade, and the other 2 were more scalps. I was coming in right here, and I saw this on the SPY. I saw, where was it? I think it was like right here, and I saw some action come in, and so I think I shorted the UVXY right here, and it went okay for me for a little bit. 1240, yeah, right in here somewhere. So I shorted it, and then it started getting crazy, and I actually got stopped out on like a couple half positions I had just because it got so crazy. But I took advantage of this craziness, and I actually saw right here on the SPY. I looked it up, and some news came out regarding the bears gonna get in some trouble. I guess some indicators said things were gonna look good. So I seen this ascending wicks right here with all this crazy action. It looked really crazy in the moment, especially you see the big change up here. So I shorted the UVXY again, and I rode this up, but shorting it. So let's see, what time? 13:06. 13:06. So like right in here is when I was buying it, and it looked out really good, and I kind of scalped it. I probably could have rode it higher. I didn't go all the way up here. I just rode it to like right here to like the 200. It was really good profit. And then I also shorted it coming down, but I didn't hold it near as long as I probably should have. It was a lot better. A lot, not as good as I'd liked, but a few good trades. It was decent. It was a good time. I mean, I would like to actually do real trades, so to speak. You know what I mean? I don't consider what I did here a trade. It was more of just a scalp. Scalping's okay. It just, especially for new traders, you need to keep it under wraps because you'll lose in the long run, in my opinion, at least, with my experience. I want to talk about today's trading action, which I wasn't able to trade it for my phone. I just kind of checked up on the prices a few times, and I actually charted it from last night. The S&P 500, so the SPY. I guess I got double charts now, but I'll just do this just to show you guys. You know what? Let's bring this on the daily. Alright, give me a second here so I can get zoomed in. Yeah, so what I'm going to show you guys is respecting high of day and low of day levels on Doji days. So let me show you this. So not this day, ignore this day here, but this day right here. So this was yesterday. It wasn't quite a doji because it's a green candle. A true doji won't have green. It'll be the open and the close at about the same price. A little bit of a gap, but it was pretty nice, short top, short bottom. So I marked those 2 high levels. I mean, this is good probability, and this one right here. And as you can see, the intraday, man, I mean, it comes right down to this line. And when it comes to these highs and lows, you can actually give it, a lot more of a stop. You can risk a lot more. So if you bought here, I would have been comfortable, risking 50 cents, 75 cents on this. And it really, it worked out. This would have been a decent trade, especially just based off of the previous day's lows. And, you'd have to kind of gauge when you want to get out. You have the break of the 50 SMA or EMA. Is it EMA? I forget what it's called. EMA, I think. Anyways, you could have gotten out here in the break of the 50, or you could have just gotten out on like if double top you've seen, or if you were happy with your profit, whatever. But you guys got to watch those levels on doji days. I mean, they're important every day, but especially doji days like this. I'm calling that a doji, even though technically it's not, but I'm calling it a doji. Let's look at the time here. Okay. Yeah, so this is kind of a quick little, I like to keep these videos short and sweet, just so you guys can kind of get a good bite and understand what I'm trying to say to you guys. But yeah, this is a trade recap and then a quick little Doji Day lesson. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.